In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dependencies in Notion. If you've ever wanted to stay on top of complex projects and make your planning smarter, this feature is a game changer. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up a timeline where tasks automatically stay in sync, helping you avoid scheduling conflicts and saving a lot of troubleshooting time. Let's jump right in. The first thing you'll need is a database. In Notion, databases are like flexible spreadsheets or digital filing cabinets. They hold your tasks, projects, or anything you want to organize. You can create one by typing /database anywhere on a Notion page. After you hit enter, you'll see options to choose the type of database you want. If you're unsure, go for a full-page database. It is the most flexible and gives you plenty of room to customize your workflow. Remember, databases are the backbone of your setup, so spending a few extra moments to set this up correctly will pay off later. Now let's talk about dependencies and where they really shine. While you can technically add dependencies in any view, the timeline view is hands down the best for visualizing how tasks relate to each other over time. It's like looking at your week as a horizontal flow, with each task extending across the days it covers. This makes it much easier to spot scheduling conflicts and see how changes to one task can ripple through your entire plan. To get started, add a new view to your database. Click Add a View at the top and choose Timeline. The Timeline view displays each database item as a bar across a calendar, which is ideal for tracking tasks, projects, or events that have start and end dates. Take some time to customize it so it highlights what matters most to you. This will make everything run smoothly as you start adding dependencies. Next, let's set up the dependencies. In the Timeline view, open your database settings, usually found in the corner or under the three-dot menu. Look for the More Options section where you'll see Dependencies. Click Enable Dependencies. This unlocks powerful project management tools in your Notion workspace. You'll see several dependency options. Shift only when dates overlap moves tasks only if a delay occurs. Shift and maintain time between items creates cascading dates, keeping spacing consistent like dominoes. Do not automatically shift lets you visualize connections but manage scheduling manually. You can also choose to avoid weekends, which is especially useful for team projects. Once enabled, you can link tasks directly in the timeline. Hover over a task and you'll see a small orange rope icon. Click and drag it to another task to connect them. Notion will show the relationship instantly and adjust dates based on your settings. This makes building smart timelines intuitive and efficient, and that's it. With dependencies, you can keep projects on track, create dynamic timelines, and avoid surprises when deadlines shift. Take some time to experiment, and soon linking tasks will become second nature. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.